Um, Now, if you're in this group, you probably have your oils on the way. I just want to show you really quickly, because you're going to get them before the program starts probably, how to use a 5/8 dram and do a hand diffusion. Okay, so these are little instruments. Maybe you recognize them. You are going to open it up. You're going to tap the butt. You're going to hold it between your thumb and your middle finger, and you're going to tap the butt. Right? The harder you tap, the more comes out. That's 1/4 to a 1/2 drop. That's more than enough. Rub it together. For it to be effective, you want to do about 6 to 8 deep breaths. You get 2 minutes while these are flashing off from your hands. When you're done, sometimes it's really nice to just sort of rub what's left on the back of your neck, right? And just enjoy it. Now, this is about 80 to 100 of those taps. Remember, you're going to need 2 or 3 or 4 every day of the program, so don't gobble it all up before we get started. But have some fun with it, start to see the effects, and then we'll give you the instruction during the live webinar call. And even by then, you'll probably be having some of the great effects of this stuff. If you're using the Deep Blue Rub, just a pea-size amount, people, like literally the size of a pea. I don't have any with me right here, but just do a little bit of a pea's worth, and that will cover the size of your 2 hands, right? That means both of your shoulders, both sides of your knee, right? Wherever you're hurting. So do not dip your big old finger in there and blop it on. You will be sorry, okay? So they're on their way. Start playing with them just a little bit. We're going to give you extra tips and stuff, so we don't want you to be out of them before we get going. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.